This is the problem we're in. So I'm going to need to research how to get them out now, without resorting to a hammer and a blowtorch.
I'm living with the caveman! He's got a screwdriver. Okay, so last night we did lose the light and we were starving, so we couldn't get to removing the floor. So today we're starting day 2 of our van conversion and we're gonna be battling with the floor, which is all bolted in with massive torque screws, the star ones, and there are a B to remove.
These have been walked on for years, and we removed one yesterday.
Yeah.
It took a long time.
Yeah, and without
our ratchet.
This tool, we would not have been able to budget. So Sam is going to demonstrate the removal of these bolts about 9 times.
There we go. And now it's just a lot of this. One down. That's a lot of dust. Whoa. Right, so this is the problem we're in. So these bolts here have a star in, as you can see, and they fit that star pattern there. I think what has happened is this star pattern is ever so slightly so small, so when you put it in these bolts, it kind of catches on the wrong area and makes it a nice smooth hole. The trick of making a saw pattern using a flathead screwdriver will not work because they're a little bit too stiff to do with a screwdriver. So I'm going to need to research how to get them out now, without resorting to a hammer and a blowtorch.
I don't think that was ever an option.
It's an option for me.
Right. I don't know how echoey this sounds because now we've removed the bulkhead, so excuse any sound alterations in here. But 3 of the torque bolts, like Sam said, have become threaded, so now we need to go and find a solution for that.
Right. Just been to B&Q and bought these Allen key torque wrench things. Right, so our one seemed to be a T45, which is seemingly the largest they sell. Most sets don't go up to a T45, they go up to a T40, and we just so happen to have a T40 when we were removing these. So let's see if this will remove the bolt.
Is it too big?
It's too big, it's not going in. Yeah, it doesn't go in.
Huh, how does that make sense?
Let me try another bolt. It does not fit. What do we do? What might be an idea is if we get a very long flathead screwdriver, wedge the flathead screwdriver into each of these star points and whack it with a hammer so it indents where the stars are. Right, so I've got some WD-40 to try and loosen it. I don't think there's much left. So what we're going to try now is in each of these stars, at the right angle,
to recreate the star in essence.
okay, no, I need more of it. There we go. It moved. It moved.
It moved.
That went in.
Hammers work.
There we go. So where are the stars in this one? Oh, it loosened. Yes. I would call that a successful £7.99 spent. Alright, grab that. I need please 3, 2, 1. Yes. Go on. You can do it.
Oh great, he's just filming it.
You can do it.
You do realize the whole floor is empty. I can't move it anymore.
Come on. 3, 2. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Okay, try and split it in half. See that piece in the middle?
Yeah, so I'm gonna step.
Whoa.
Alright,
Okay.
get behind there and lift it. Go on.
Shouldn't that be like some sort of peel off or something?
Well, there's no bolts on it.
Let's see if we can pop that up somehow. To me, it seems like it's been slotted in. Because it,
We'll get the scalpel.
Sam, it's a centimeter of ply. You're gonna be here until tomorrow. And no food. I'm living with a caveman. He's got a screwdriver. If I twist it, I think the corner's out.
Which corner?
That corner's out. Twisting it sort of works.
Alright.
You see it?
Well done. Sort of. Alright, twist it.
Don't scratch my van.
Oh. Oh, there we go. That corner's out again.
You need a screwdriver again.
And a hammer.
And a hammer.
Caveman. I'm gonna try and get this glue.
Okay, yeah. Yeah!
It's out! Ah, my foot. I'm good.
I think these floors are the bane of all van conversions.
But look, it's a nice shiny floor.
Shiny?
Shiny.
Have you had your eyes plucked out? Alright, so let's remove this Velcro and then we can sweep.
It's off. What is that?
Well, I just sort of lifted it off. And I think somebody decided to fill this hole
With glue.
with glue or Sikflex or some sort of sealant, a very thick blob of it, and just left a hole.
That's quite a rusty hole.
Yeah, we should fix it. Go to our website for our new merch, join us on Patreon for exclusive discounts and content, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss a video.
Cut. End. Silence. Go away.